Let me show you how you guys can find someone you unfriended on Snapchat. You want to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen and you want to click on the settings icon at the top right of the screen. Inside settings, scroll all the way down until you see my data. Click on it then. Inside here, you need to enter the password of your account and log in. So I've logged into my account now. Once you're inside your account, wait for some time, and over here you want to choose export HTML file. Now if you don't want that, you can always choose JSON file, but I will suggest you HTML file. Now from over here you want to make sure these two things are ticked: user information and chat history. Now you want to click on over here where it says next at the bottom, and over here you want to choose all time at the bottom and click on submit. And over here where it says confirm your email, once I click on submit, all of your data is going to be sent to this email. So after 24 hours, look into your email. It's going to send you all of your Snapchat data. Inside that Snapchat data, it's going to show you your friend list data as well. From there, you can see all of your friend which you have unfriended, as well as all of the friend which you currently have. Hope you understand the video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.